डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में देवी सज्जनों वक्त है पुरुषों 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। यूपी दंगल की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के जितेंद्र। देवी और सज्जनों 74 किलोग्राम वर्ग पुरुषों के इस मुकाबले के लिए स्तुति पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के अमित धनखड़।
There we have Jitender in the final bout of the day at the age of 25, the gold medalist at the 2016 Commonwealth Championships. They're taking on Amit Dhankar from the Stuti Punjab Royals at the age of 32, a gold medalist in the South Asian Games in 2016. We saw a cracker between them last night, and they're back here in the final bout of semi-final number 1 as Satyadev Malik commences the final bout of the day.
Both contact.
Jitender, who was the hero last night, rose to the occasion, beating Amit Dhankar 10-9, which gave UP Dangal a place in the semi-final today. Can he be a hero again today?
Well, Jitendra again is a product of Pro Wrestling League. What a finish he had in the past second and the third seasons. He is no less. That's his father. That's Jitendra's father, come from Tripadi village in Haryana.
Both action.
Jitendra comes with
Action,
all-round continuity in attack and
no,
wins
no.
despite languishing behind. That's what he did last night. Within 18 seconds, last remaining 18 seconds, he changed the complexion of the game and the output of UP Dangal.
Absolutely, he shook the entire table up.
Yes,
That affected the Mumbai Marathis, it affected the MP Yoda team. He brought UP Dangal into the semi-finals, rising to the occasion in the final bout.
No finger.
Even though we know UP is out now, can Jitender still give them a very much needed victory here?
See, right now, Jitender is fighting for the pride of UP Dangal. He knows that his team is out of contention for the final, but look at him. He is purely all-out attacking 74 kg mean machine.
As we see, they're grappling it out. Both of them testing each other. Amit Dhankar, an inspector with the Haryana police.
Well,
You
you
could
could
see an injury here. Unaffected. They go on. They don't give up. Come blood, come sweat, come anything.
Well, this is the fight of the gladiators. Seriously, in the 74 kg category, you can't get bigger than this. Again, this category is the same which Sushil Kumar used to fight, and Amit Dhankar is also from the Chhatrasal Stadium, again showing his sparks of brilliance here.
Absolutely. The big 74 kilograms category, where the best from India, Mr. Sushil Kumar, has battled and brought us a medal in the Olympics.
Let's look at the Bhupaniya village. That's Jitendra's father again, come all the way from Tripadi village to back his son. Incidentally, Sarthak, they bring his food, milk, dahi, ghee every day, and that's how he's raised.
Absolutely. UP Dangal taking a slender lead of 1 point, playing for pride here.
Finger open.
Jitender, the hero last night, playing for pride. Amit Dhankar,
No finger.
the gold medalist at the 2018 Senior Championship.
Amit's style of play is very defensive and relies on the quick counter attack. His main attack targets on the right leg of the opponent.
Okay.
And
There we see Jitender looking for a single leg takedown. Amit giving him no chance.
No.
grappling each other, heavy hands,
Hey.
slapping each other.
Opponent.
It's
Open point
getting
both of
rough.
you.
They know that it's inconsequential on the table, but you could see Jitender bleeding from the right eye, on the top of the right eye. Amit Dhankar holding him by the neck, trying to bring him down. Has he done it enough? No,
No, Amit looks for a complete takedown. Jitender went straight for him and Amit countered it. And now a 1 point.
Who's got it? Is it the red? Yes. UP has a slender lead of 2 points again in the last 10 seconds of this first round. Let's see how it happens. Amit isn't giving any inch. Well, talking about the defensive, Amit has garnered 15 points in the entire PWL, whereas Jitender has managed to get 32 points.
Lost a big one last night, 9-10.
या तो मुट्ठी
It's
बंद कर लो.
Satyadev Malik, the
अगर
referee
finger
here,
पकड़ोगे,
is trying
caution
to
point
tell
आएंगे.
them, guys, play it loose. Don't get rough. They've known each other for long, and Satyadev Malik again from Rohtak, Sakshi Malik's hometown.
There we see. Amit wants to come back straight away as we commence round number 2. If he doesn't get it right up in the first 1 minute of this round, it'll be a very difficult final 2 minutes.
Action red.
Grappling all the way, leaping on their knees. There you see Jitender with the attack, push out, looking for a 1 point in the push out.
Well, the Haryana cop Amit Dhankar isn't going to give any inch. He practices at the Chhatrasal Stadium under Sushil Kumar, and he knows the tricks of the trade. At 32, the World Championship medalist is holding on in the black singlet, isn't leaving any stone unturned to give, to lose.
Absolutely, every bout matters. Punjab may have won the match, but they won this bout going into the final. They want to ride high on the confidence level. There you see, as we are UP Dangal 3-0 against the Punjab Royals.
Hey, red.
The referee
No.
calls it off. Amit
Please,
Dhankar
second.
wants to come back. Semi-final number 1, heading into the final 1.5 minutes of this
Finger open.
magnanimous bout.
It's getting rougher. Amit Dhankar looking to open his account. He hasn't managed to do it. They're still in the central circle. It isn't going anywhere. Jitender just holding on to his thing. Look at their legs, the power, the raw energy right now. And within
Absolutely.
24 hours, they are
Action red.
fighting it out in 24 hours in the second time.
Absolutely, this was the toughest bout. Just 24 hours back, they were battling it out in the bout of the day yesterday. And they're back again for a big one.
Whoever won, irrespective, Mumbai was thrown out after, in the last 18 seconds. Amit Dhankar in the last 40 seconds. Can he bridge the gap? Looks tough. Now you could see the slaps across. Jitender getting into the action now.
And there you see a gut wrench. Both the players locking each other out.
Blue action.
Wrestling at its absolute best. Can the Studi Punjab Royals make a comeback? They want to go high into the final.
Look at Amit. Amit, his attack has gone
Oh
wrong.
my God! This is huge! Can Jitender take a 2-pointer here?
It is still over. It still ain't over. But Jitender is the clear winner right now with just 3 seconds to go. Has Jitender made it? Or Amit has made a comeback? No. It's over.
This will be interesting. Who gets the final point here? Final score line coming up.
There we go. That's Jitender Kumar on your screen right now. from Bhopania village. Jeetu is your winner tonight.
Jitendra won it last night like a hero. His team may have lost today, but he still wins his bout again.
Well, UP came to this party a little too late.